hole 3 now. The meta glasses all of a sudden decided to start working. The bunker there, 242 to carry it. Pretty straightaway hole, par 5. Fading a little bit. Right side should be fine though. 195. Uphill a little bit. Oh, left out right. Crapola. Oh, the glasses worked again. All right, thank God. All right, we let a wedge up over this bunker, and all these greens are very slopey. Get up there. No! 5 feet to the right, and that's pretty good. But uphill. Somebody was angry with pin locations today. Someone chose violence. Another bogey, back to back. Yeah, right over here. And that ball, pretty much where I landed. Right here, 5 feet to the right.